A very good morning, student. Are you all welcome to the online class? Today we are going to see the fertilization in plant. Here a fertilization in plant. What we are seeing that previous topic, we are seeing the agents of pollination. Pollination நிறைய topic பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம் இல்லையா? What is a pollination? Transfer of anther from, that is anther இருக்க pollen from one plant to another plant. That is a cross pollination. If they are from the same flower, we called as a self pollination. Transfer of pollen from the stigma, we called as a pollination. Here and now we are going to see that today class we are going to see the fertilization in plant. In our question answer, there is a very important question to you. They are given a question type, that is process of fertilization. Okay, so today we are going to see that what a process of fertilization. First thing, process of fertilization, a pollen grain. That is not a major theme, no. Pollen and stigma, they are both of the major parts in the fertilization, because a pollen is a male part and we called as a androecium part, and here a gynoecium part, stigma, that is a female part. Here a first thing, a pollen grain are reach the pollen grain reach the stigma. What is the purpose of reaching a stigma? To being a generative. That is a germinate purpose. Here the germ, when they are started, once their pollen are reach the a stigma surface, they are getting a germination, right? Just like this. This is the stigma surface, right? And now the pollen grain are reach the surface of a stigma. This is the pollen, and here this is the stigma. Once the pollen are reach the stigma surface, they are going to start first stages of a fertilization. And next stage, what will be happen? A pollen grain form a small tube. Pollen grain forms small tube-like structure. How they are formed here? To see this, what we are saying, this stigma, right? And next one, a pollen. What is the second fertilization step? A pollen form a small tube-like structure. How they are formed a small tube-like structure? Here, just they are forming a small tube-like structure with the help of tissues in the stigma. A pollen tube that is a pollen grain form a small tube-like structure is called as a, they are having a form small tube na. This tube is called as a pollen tube. Why they are given a name of pollen tube? A pollen na and the tube make pandrathu, so that they are called as a pollen tube. Here, which emerge from the pollen tube, where they are emerged from the pollen grain, that is the germ pore. Okay, it consists of a pollen grain move to the tube. Pollen grain and the pores and the tube open பண்ணோம்னா என்ன ஆகும்? pollen அது வழியா மூவ் பண்ணி போவாங்க. And next fertilization step is a pollen tube grow with the help of, what is the next stage? A pollen tube grow with the help of tissues. Tissues from where? Tissues from that stigma. ஸ்டிக்மாவில் இருக்க டிஷ்யூஸை ஜஸ்ட் யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு போலன் கிரெயின் ஒரு டியூப் மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸை ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ போலன் டியூப் க்ரோ ஃப்ரம் தி டிஷ்யூஸ் இன் தி ஸ்டிக்மா ஆஃப் ஸ்டைல். The longest, this is the portion of stigma and longest tube-like structures இருக்குங்களா, this is the name of what? A style. And finally, they are reaching the ovule. What they are said here, finally they are reaching the ovule through the microfile. We already saw draw a diagram of microfile. There is a structure of ovule draw பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லைங்களா. They are having a their integument leaving a opening is called microfile. We say na, this is a microfile. Finally pollen tube are reaching the microfile. And next stage of fertilization is vegetative cells are degenerate. What they are saying, vegetative cells are degenerate. Vegetative cells are degenerate. Just have to listen here. This is the stigma and this is the style, and here they are having a ovary part, and inside of an ovary they are having a ovule. They are having a 2 integument, and they are having a nucellus, and they are having a leaving portioning is there. The leaving portioning, they are given a name of what? A microfile. And here they are having a chalaza, that is in a basal part. You know that inside of a nucellus they are having an embryo sac. Inside of a nucellus they are having a embryo sac, and here they are contained a 3 cell, 1 2 3 type of a cell. The first thing is upper near to the chalaza, we called as a antipodal cell. What is the name to this? 3 cells is that is the 3 cells is there, no? What is the name to that? Antipodal cell. And here near to the microfile they are having a 3 cell, that is in the name of synergites. And next center portion they are having a 1 cells na, that is a 2 nucleus and 1 cell. The name is a secondary nucleus. So here they are having a totally, we already say that a 3 plus 3 a 6 plus 1, here a 7 cells and 8 nuclei. We already say that these are a major part of an female ovary part. And here and now once the pollen are attached to the stigma surface, they are having a 2 type of cell. We already say that first one is the vegetative cell and next one is the generative cells. Once they are on a stigma surface, they are making a tube in that, making a pollen tube with the help of a tissue present in that style. Okay ma, just like this. And now they are going to enter into the embryo sac with the help of an opening portion is called a microfile. In this tube, pollen tube வழியா 2 cell travel பண்ணி வருவாங்க. What is the first one? They are having a 2 type of cell. The first one is the vegetative cell, and next one is the generative cell. What is the next one? Generative cell. Here vegetative cells get degenerate. Travel பண்ணி வரச்சவே அது என்ன ஆயிடும்? Degenerate ஆயிடுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? Just இந்த pollen tubeல travel பண்ணி வரச்ச என்ன ஆயிடுவாங்கன்னா அந்த ஒரு vegetative cells degenerate ஆயிடுவாங்க. Remaining they are having a 1 generative cell. 1 generative cells go for a cell division to forming a 2 sperm. To forming a what? 2 sperm. That is in a male gametes. Okay, ஒரே ஒரு generative cells தான். Due to the cell division, they are forming as a 2 sperms. Vegetative cells startingly degenerate ஆயாச்சு. And next to that, a tip of a pollen tube are attached to the microfile. The tip எங்க attach பண்ணிருக்கு? Microfile கிட்ட போயிட்டு attach பண்றாங்களா? That is a opening portion கிட்ட போய் attach பண்றாங்களா? Attach பண்றச்ச என்ன ஆகும்னா just they are bursted. Here இந்த போர்ஷன் என்ன ஆகிடும், burst அவுட் ஆகிட்டு ஜெனரேட்டிவ் செல்ஸ் ஆர் என்டர் இன்டு தி embryo sac. embryo sac உள்ள அந்த generative cells enter ஆகும். they are get fertilization. okay, here they are getting a fertilization in the embryo sac. one sperm fuse with the egg. usually we say na they are having a 7 cell and 8 nucleus. just have to see the diagram. here a pollen tube travel பண்ணி வராங்க. okay, travel பண்ணி வந்து micropyle வழியா enter ஆகுறாங்க. so they are bursted the layer of an embryo sac and enter into the embryo sac enter ஆகுறாங்க. here they are having a two type of a cell. first thing is, this is we already say that they are having a synergites one of the egg and remaining are given a nourishment to that and remaining they are an antipodal cell. sorry for that, that is the secondary nucleus. here they are having a one nucleus and here they are having a one nucleus. அப்போ ரெண்டு sperms வந்தாங்க இல்லையா, ஒரு sperms இங்கே போயிட்டு fertilize ஆவாங்க, இன்னொரு sperm secondary nucleus குள்ள fertilize ஆவாங்க. so two sperms are get fertilized here. so what kind of fertilization to this? a double fertilization. because of that the two sperm are get fertilized, so that they are given a name of a double fertilization. here a one sperm are fused with the egg and to form a diploid zygote. ஏன் diploid சொல்றாங்க? how they are said a diploid? one male and one female. here they are having a female part. now sperm was enter into the female, they are getting a diploid. they become a diploid cell and other sperm are fused with the secondary nucleus. we already said that this is secondary nucleus. they are having a triple fusion. why they are saying a triple fusion? triple fusion, why? we already say that one cell they are having a two nucleus. சென்டரில் இருக்க செல்ஸில் டூ நியூக்ளி இருக்கும், ஆனால் ஒரே ஒரு செல்லாக தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவாங்க சொல்லணும் இல்லையா. அப்போது டூ நியூக்ளி இருக்குது, ஒரு ஸ்பெர்ம் வந்து ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிறச்சா ரெண்டு நியூக்ளி ப்ளஸ் ஒரு ஸ்பெர்ம், அப்போது they are called as a triple fusion. here a form of endosperm to the triple nature. since the type of fusion of syngamy or triple fusion takes place in the embryo sac, this process is called as a double fertilization. okay, after that triple fusion primary endosperm, ஒரு triple fusion ஆவதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும், primary endosperm develop into the endosperm. we already say na, just they are giving a nourishment to the young one. why coconut tree la usually பார்க்கலாம் சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, white color portion that is the endosperm, just they are giving a nourishment to the young one. same like that here also endosperm are provided food to the developing embryo and laterly the synergites, this is the synergites and antipodal cells are get degenerated. okay, synergites and antipodal cells are get degenerated. so that's it for a process of fertilization. I hope you all understand the process of fertilization. It will be more next one, significance of fertilization.